or food and maybe take electrolytes or magnesium. Try supplements. To boost the ketogenic process, you can take ketone salt supplements, MCT oil, 5 to 10 grams twice a day, or use coconut oil regularly. Be consistent. There is no shortcut to success. With any diet, consistency is the most important factor. You may also wish to monitor ketone levels in either urine or blood, since these let you know whether you are keeping carb levels down sufficiently to achieve ketosis. Based on current research, studies at my lab and continuous testing with clients, anything over 0.5 to 1.0 mmol/L demonstrates sufficient nutritional ketosis. 21 Trusted source. Bottom line, base most of your meals on low-carb veggies and high-fat meats, fish or eggs. You may also wish to monitor your ketone levels. Should you try a ketogenic diet? No single diet is suitable for everyone, especially since individual metabolism, genes, body types, lifestyles, taste buds and personal preferences differ. However, the ketogenic diet can work wonders for people who are overweight or at risk of metabolic syndrome. Nevertheless, if you dislike high-fat foods but love carbs, this diet may be hard for you to stick to. If you still like the idea of a low-carb diet, then carb cycling or a standard low-carb diet may be better options for you. Ketogenic diets may also be used in the short term, to help you lose fat and improve health. Yet this requires a lot of discipline, and must be followed with healthy eating. A ketogenic diet may also not be the best option for elite athletes or those wishing to build large amounts of muscle. Vegetarians or vegans may also struggle with this diet, due to the key role played by meats, eggs, fish and dairy. Additionally, the transition to a ketogenic diet can occasionally cause negative symptoms that are often referred to as keto flu. This may include poor energy and mental function, increased hunger, sleep issues, nausea, digestive discomfort and poor exercise performance. While this only happens rarely, it may cause some people to quit before they even get started properly, especially as the first few weeks of any diet are the toughest. Due to the very limited carb intake, fewer than 50 grams per day, ketogenic diets also may not be suitable for people who want to take the weekend off. Bottom line, the ketogenic diet can provide amazing results if you stick to it. However, it may not be the best option for everyone. Take-home message: in order to get the most out of a ketogenic diet, you must eat high-fat foods and limit your carb intake to fewer than 30 to 50 grams per day. If you stick with it, the benefits of a ketogenic diet are extremely impressive, especially for health and weight loss. Ketogenic diets can also reduce metabolic disease risk factors and even fight diseases like type 2 diabetes and obesity.